Chapter 32. I'm awakened Saturday morning by guitar music. Real, out of tune guitar music. I hear it through the penguin earmuffs I wore to bed last night so I'd be able to fall asleep while the band was playing. The earmuffs are too tight, and they made my ears hurt. I shove them into the back of my underwear drawer with the penguin bathing suit, rub my ears, and follow the guitar sound to Dad's bedroom door. Lindsay appears from her bedroom, wiping her eyes. What the? I shrug. Her hand on the doorknob, she whispers, on 3. 1, I say. 2, she says. 3, we say at the same time, and Lindsay flings open the door. I'm not prepared for what I see. Dad, wearing pajamas, sits on the edge of his bed, strumming his Fender Strat. The cool Fender Strat that's been in dusty case under his bed for years. What are you doing? Lindsay asks, hand on her hip. Dad looks up. Oh, hi. Did I wake you guys? Yeah, Lindsay says. I shake my head and Lindsay pokes my shoulder. Yes, he did, David. Dad's finally playing his guitar, Lindsay. Don't make him feel bad about it. Sorry, guys. Dad puts the guitar into its case and snaps the clips. My heart sinks. Dad gets that sad, misty look in his eyes. Lindsay must not notice because she says, I'm going back to bed. Wake me when we're normal. Then she stomps out. I sit on Dad's bed. So what's up with I jerk my head toward the guitar case. The guys, I know he means the other 2 Allens from last night. The Allens he's been friends with since he was my age. They thought we should get a real rock band together. I want to be supportive, but a laugh slips out. Can't help it. I'm picturing my dad and the Allens on stage with long hair and leather pants smashing their guitars. I know, Dad says. Ridiculous, right? Yes. But Dad hasn't seemed this excited about anything since Mom left, so I say, no, it's an awesome idea. What would you call yourself? Widow's Kiss? Dad laughs. Nah, that was my college band's name. We need something new. Alan presses his palms into his thighs. Alan Drummond doesn't even have drums yet. It's just a crazy idea. I knock my shoulder into Dad's. It's not crazy, but you'll need a name. I head toward Dad's door, pausing to nod at his guitar case. And more practice. Dad rakes a hand through his wild morning hair. I'm not sure your sister would appreciate that. I nod toward Lindsay's room. Practice, Dad, even if it drives Lindsay crazy. I grin. Especially if it drives Lindsay crazy. I go to my room and write Mom a long letter about how Dad has taken up playing the guitar again and how he's forming a new band. As I drop the letter into the mailbox, I'm sure this will make Mom want to come home. At least for a visit.